Meanwhile, opposition leader Mark Golding is again calling for the government to do more to get more Jamaicans vaccinated against COVID-19. Speaking to councillor candidates for Region 5 following a tour in St. Elizabeth today, Mr. Golding said he believes the National COVID-19 Vaccination Operationalization Task Force is Jamaica's best hope.
And I've said to them, they need to own the vaccination program, take it out of politics, and carry it to the people. Partner with the churches who are willing to come on board, partner with the medical profession who are willing to come on board, and try and get those numbers up.
In the meantime, Mr. Golding continues to blast the government for its handling of the education sector during the pandemic.
School for nearly 2 years. We believe they have to be brought back to school as quickly as possible. We support bringing them back to school right away and finding ways of reducing any associated risks, because the education lost to our children is going to damage the future of this country for years to come.